Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a really long time that I haven't interacted with you guys due to my pregnancy and the fact that I just delivered a baby 2 months back. But taking some time off, I'm slowly getting back to work. So while I was pregnant, I came across a lot of people who shared their concern about how to dress during pregnancy or postpartum. Also when their body changes due to weight gain. So I thought, why not share my experience on how to dress during and after pregnancy on my YouTube channel. Honestly, I think it isn't mandatory or a rule to stay fashionable at any stage of your life, but it is important if it makes you happy. Okay, so I'm going to show you my maternity pics which work the best for me. I hope it helps you to find some style inspirations for yourself. So watch the video till the end. I will also tell you how you can style it differently and wear it multiple times. So the very first thing that I would like to suggest is whatever you're wearing during pregnancy or after delivery is something that should be comfortable. Here are some of the items that I have hanged here, which I'm going to show you, and I'm going to tell you why I picked those and how did I wore it and how did I style it. This is something which I was wearing before I got pregnant, and it worked for me during pregnancy also, at least till 3 to 4 months. But once my belly was increasing, and once after that I couldn't wear it because it's short, but I wore it till 3 to 4 months, and I can wear it back again right now also after delivery because it has front opening and it's a really good pick for feeding. Then as you can wear t-shirts. Now t-shirt is something very basic, but why I'm mentioning it, because whatever body type you have, it doesn't matter, you can always count on t-shirts. But while wearing t-shirts, I would suggest that go for brighter colors. Do not wear dark gray, or do not wear blacks, or do not wear any beige or dull colors. Try to wear some fresh bright colors. It is going to make you feel fresh and positive throughout your pregnancy. These days oversized t-shirts are something that are really trending, so you can pick one of it. Then this shirt, these days after delivery I'm wearing a lot of shirts with a different kind of prints and different kind of patterns, so you can experiment a lot in shirts. And I like the way it makes me feel stylish at home, and also when I'm heading out for work I can still wear this. So it's very comfy, and at the same time, because of all the shirts have front opening, it's really good for feeding. So if it's a winter season, then sweater is a must. So while you're pregnant or post delivery, you can have this front opening sweaters with like cute floral embroidery or floral prints or something like that, and it's going to make you feel cute. So you can have these kind of black bottoms. So whatever like black I'm suggesting, because black is a classic color and goes with maximum other colors, and you can wear it with shirt, you can wear t-shirt, top, sweater, jacket, everything. And the bottom should have the stretchable waist belt, okay, so that even if your belly is increasing, you can still wear it. I was wearing this till my 9th month. Then you can wear this kind of fit and flare dresses with knots, and secondly, the print is very pretty and cute, or it makes you feel very feminine. You're wearing dresses, or you're wearing tops or shorts, you can always style them, and you can uplift your look with the jackets. This is a denim basic jacket, so it's very classic, and it goes with lot of shirts, t-shirts and dresses. So it is something that is a must-have in everyone's wardrobe. Get something that suits your personal style, something that suits your body type. Try different prints, patterns, necklines, so whatever suits you the best. Consider a personal stylist for that if necessary. So the very important thing while you decide how to dress up during your pregnancy is, the first thing what I told you is comfort. The second thing is it should make you feel very fresh and positive, because of all the mood swings that you're going through during your pregnancy and after delivery. I think your clothes can help you to uplift your mood and make you feel good about yourself. So why not do that and try something that is part of your self-care. So I'll be coming up with more such videos, and let me know if this one helped you to find some style inspirations for your pregnancy journey. Till then, stay tuned, stay stylish.